Hey guys, now I'm telling you I have all the etoos lectures. I can give you the proof of all the lectures. I have all the lectures of NV sir. So if you want any lecture, you can message me or email me the requirement, or you can comment in the comment box. Okay. So you can see here there is a studies option in which I have all the etoos NV sir's lectures. Here you can see this etoos folder in physics. NV sir, I have all the lectures like alternating current. I have all lectures in you can see center of mass. I have the full lecture 1 to 10 lectures. Circular motion, I have full lecture of circular motion. Electromagnetic induction, I have all the lectures of that, and all these are of NV Sir's lectures. You can see here in the fluids I have all the 1 to 11 lectures. You can see in gravitation I have the full lectures of this, and in friction I have also all the lectures of NV Sir. So you can only comment in the comment box if you want any of the lectures from this magnetism or Newton's law of motion, optics 1, optics 2, rotational dynamics, SHM, sound waves, surface tension, viscosity, thermal expansion in unit and dimension, wave optics, waves, work, power, energy. So I have all the chapters of the NV sir. So if anyone of you want the lectures, you can comment or subscribe my channel and comment in the comment box your requirements. Okay guys, bye.